I live in this historical neighborhood called the Historical Alta, and I want to show you this is what you can buy out here. So let's go through this and look at the single story. It's so hard to find. Single story with a huge driveway. Okay, check this out. Look at this. You could barbecue. Wow. And let me just show you, one of the best features is that building right there. It is a guest house. I love this because it gives you privacy, but you literally have a guest house. It's a 2-bedroom guest house. Oh my gosh, I really love this water. It looks so good. When you're in Vegas, it is a luxury to have a pool. And this is such a good sized pool. You can't build these pools like this big anymore. There is a restriction of up to 600 feet. The wood is so modern. In contrast, let's check out the inside of this gorgeous property. So I'm just gonna show you. Do you like the yellow doors? That is a wood burning fireplace. Lots of light. And check out the modern kitchen. This is what we call mid-century modern. Those of you who love to have a gourmet kitchen, I'm sure you wouldn't mind this. Look at this pantry. It is huge. So this is a ensuite. Look at your own walk-in shower, right? And it's almost like a casita. Plenty of space. And going forward, you got 3 bedrooms to the left. Here's bedroom number 2. They have new windows, by the way. Look at how lovely this bathroom is. Bedroom number 3. And let me show you the primary bedroom. Ooh, look at that tub. This is the primary bedroom. It does have a walk-in closet. And check out this courtyard. And like I told you, I love the pool out here. You guys, this door literally could be opened 1, 2, 3 panels. So you could have indoor and outdoor living all at once. So let's go check out this casita. I love it. You know, it could be extra storage space. Love the modern ceiling fans, appliances. You literally have a second house, a house within a house. Look at this. Oh, right here. Bathroom, bedroom number 1. I told you it's got 2 bedrooms. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? It would cost $300,000 just to build this casita. And that is why it is worth every penny. It's easy access to all the shopping. I'm telling you, you should definitely come check out this house at our historic Alta neighborhood. Oh, just one more thing before I go. You can't believe it, but there's more land. Yup. So if you wanted storage, check it out. Just beyond this, look up. Look at all this. You literally own all of this. So behind that, there is more land. It isn't that cool. All of this for $1 million. In Vegas, it's hard to get property with land, and the location is amazing. Call me with any questions because I literally live in this neighborhood.